Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself, and I'm documenting this one photograph, which is a view from my office window. I am using the Vicky Booten Fernwood Collection die cut pieces. I have the sticker sheet, the chipboard sheet, and I have the word, phrases, and icons, all from the Vicky Booten Fernwood collection. I selected the 12 by 12 paper from the Fernwood collection. And then the starburst piece that you can see right now, I cut that out from another Vicky Booten collection. I just don't remember the name of it because I cut that out on my Cricut about a year ago. And in my kit reveal, I show you that I store them in a 12 by 12 album until I get ready to use them. All right, now I'm pausing the video and I am going to come back and show you my completed layout and go over my process.
As you can see, I created a layout using the products that I just showed you, which was centered around Vicky Booten products and the Fernwood collection, and then from another collection as well, and then some other bits and pieces from my scrappy stash. So let's start from the foundation layer right here, and that is the Fernwood collection, the 12 by 12 paper, and this paper is called Open Air. And I shortened or made my starburst smaller by just trimming the edges. Then I layered matted my photograph in two papers, and the first one is packaging paper that has like a glossy finish that Vicky Booten puts in with her products, and this is the bottom half, and it starts out with blue, aqua, mint, then it has an off-white, it goes to this yellow, and then to these coral colors. Then I matted that on a chocolate brown from Basil. And I don't have the code, I'm sorry, but that's what I matted my photograph with. Then I added this placement card and tucked it under. And then I secured this because there's a picture of a car. In my picture, in this photograph, is a car right here. And then I know I've got a little car here, but this one was real distracting. So I used this tag and I used my ATG gun and just added a little adhesive and kept this card still loose that I can do journaling, which I am going to do journaling. And then from the Vicky Booten Fernwood chipboard pieces, I added this round chipboard piece in the punched out hole. Then from the Fernwood sticker sheet, I added these three word phrases: new place, on the horizon, taking the unexpected path, which I will talk about. Underneath my word phrases, I added this gold arrow that came from the Vicky Booten Fernwood collection of alphas and icons. And they're a tiny bit puffy. They're not hard like an enamel, but just a tiny bit puffy, if that makes sense. And I'm sure if you are a scrapbooker, you've picked up some of Vicky Booten's alpha phrases and icons, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Then we move on down to the left-hand corner, and I added 4 more stickers from the Fernwood sticker sheet. Let me get it out for you. See, it's right here. Hopefully you're not picking up too much of a glare, and you can see where I used a lot of the stickers. And I roughed the edges up here just to give it some more character and not be too flat. My mushroom, I added foam adhesive to pop it up, again to give some more dimension and interest to the layout. Then we have this flower right here. And then underneath it is another sticker that says daily reminder. And then this leafy or succulent is a chipboard piece from the Fernwood collection. Now this word, Happy Fall, is a thin cut from Lawn Fawn, or they call them Lawn Cuts, custom craft dies. And I used the chocolate, dark chocolate, basil cardstock. And I used my Close to My Heart die cutting machine. It's a manual one. And then for my autumn leaves here, they are puffy and glitter. And I picked these up from Hobby Lobby's last year of 2021. Have no idea if they are still available. They tend to keep them available over and over. And matter of fact, even when I picked it up in 2021, it is a product that they created in 2019. All right, then you can see I have some gold splatters here, and I use the Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Gold. And for my washi tape, I have a washi tape here and a washi tape here. And this is like a honeycomb. And I think this again is a Hobby Lobby brand. And this one is not, matter of fact, I think this might be a Lawn Fawn brand. But anyway, it has arrows and with gold inlay arrows. And yes, I had to use wet adhesive to secure them down because when they're that thin, they tend to lift over time. So I just used some wet adhesive, and I've got my arrows up here and the honeycomb down here. And for inking the edges of my tags here, I use Close to My Heart ink in Mocha. And this layout is complete. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video and all my other videos. I really appreciate you and supporting my channel. Continue to give a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know. And let's see, what else do I need to tell you? Oh, most of all, get out your scrappy supplies, get out your photographs, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And don't forget to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have the link listed below in the description box, and we will see you next time. Bye.